Hi, I'm Simon Walland and I have been a McKenzie friend for 20 years. I have become in that time very concerned at the level and competence of McKenzie friends that I have come across. I have a lot of clients who come to me having been assisted by a McKenzie friend who hasn't got a clue what they're doing and has caused all sorts of problems. So I have decided to create the masterclass training course for McKenzie friends. I have been training them for over 10 years now. And I am now trying to set a standard of competence and to set that standard at a good level so that anybody who has completed my training is going to be able to assist their clients properly and effectively without messing up their situation. I am using in this masterclass over 100 hours of tuition. That's a lot of tuition. It's going to be spread over the course of a year. There will be assessments at each module. There are 16 modules in the course. They will be assessed before you can move on to the next module. And it is not a situation where you would fail. If you get to an assessment and you can't pass it, I will explain where you've gone wrong. And then I will give you another assessment to try. And it's only by passing those that you can move on through the course. I will do everything I can to help you through that process. I will have live cases where you can shadow me and we will work together on a case. I will assist you with your own cases. I will have mock hearings where you can come to me with a presentation. I can look at how you're doing that and I can advise you and critique you so that you can get better. All of this is accredited by the CPD. So this isn't a Mickey Mouse course. This is a proper training course to enable you to be a good McKenzie friend. On the 7th of April, I have a lecture and I'm going to discuss this in a lot more detail and answer questions about it. So if you would like to join me on the 7th of April at 7:30 in the evening, I will be able to explain a lot more about this. If you are wondering, what do you need to be a McKenzie friend? Do you need to know about the law? No, you don't. Do you need anything else at all? And I would say, yes, there are 3 things that you should have. Common sense. Common sense, it runs all the way through family law. An inquiring mind, when you look at something, think about it. Does that make sense? Is that right? Let me look into that. Let me see what I can find. They are 2 very good qualities to become a McKenzie friend. The 3rd thing you will need is a pen and paper. It is that simple. And on the 7th of April, I will explain everything to you. I look forward to seeing you then and explaining about the course, which will be running from the 7th of April. Thank you very much.